On this edition of Offroading with the Rust Belt crew, hi, I'm Will Rogers, and right now I am showing the quality bodywork and paintwork we do here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Now, Will Rogers, he's the star of the show. Me, I'm just a slump. So, anyhow, let's talk about the paintwork here on these quality trucks at Rust Belt Off-Road. Right here, we have recently switched to PPG's Velocity paint, which is Max Meyer in Europe, but just came to this country, known for superior gloss and color match. So if you look at it here, superior product we're using now. Look at the finish on this, it's unbelievable. All European technology on these paint jobs. Custom formulas available through PPG Global, so it's really, really cool here. We're even using the SEM bed liner here, color match to the desert sand here on this classic truck. Satin finish half cab top here, stainless windshield, fully built here at Rust Belt Off-Road. So right here, I'm in the Rust Belt Off-Road mix room here in the body shop. This is the new Velocity paint line from PPG. It became available in the United States late August, early September of 2025. Now we've tried this on the last 5 paint jobs, or used in the last 5 paint jobs. Absolutely phenomenal results, deep gloss, just like European technology. This is Max Meyer from Europe, which PPG bought some 20-some years ago. They've been in business for over 100 years. Quality product, Italian company. Can't ask for more here for best finish in the world. Check out PPG's Velocity.
Hi, I'm Will Rogers from Rust Belt Off-Road. Today we're in the mechanic shop. We're going to tell you about this all original 66 Bronco that we were doing some work on. Customer brought it in and wanted to swap out the manual transmission for an automatic transmission along with the tired engine that was in it. Then we put in a nice Blueprint 306 engine with the Sniper 2 system. The Sniper 2 system is the newest updated system that runs a lot smoother with a lot less headaches than the Sniper 1 system that we have dealt with before. The Sniper 2 system is the EFI, which is electronic fuel injection system that replaces your standard carburetor with a throttle body. Still looks like a carburetor, but with all the nice amenities of electric fuel injection. Behind me is one of our K5 Blazers we build here in-house at Rust Belt Off-Road. And I'm here with some exciting news that we are now offering full builds on the K5 Blazers and C10 trucks that we build here in-house. So you can get them from just a body to a turnkey car here at Rust Belt Off-Road. So as you can see underneath this is one of our rolling pallets that we use to transport these vehicles to and from our place to your place. This allows you to be able to do your own body work right on the pallet and roll it around your shop with ease. This all comes included when you buy one of the tubs from us.
Right here, we're getting ready for bed line here. Now, let me introduce you to
Will Rogers. This is my other brother, Will Rogers. I'm Will Rogers.
We have a bunch of Will Rogers working here. I'm Will Rogers too, but anyhow, what we got going on here is we got bed lining going on. So we're masking this up here, seam sealing it, and we're gonna go PPG's epoxy primer on this here. We're doing bed line color on this. So PPG epoxy primer with the SEM, which is owned by PPG bed liner, so it's all compatible product, and it's gonna look really fabulous when it's all said and done. Bed liner is gonna match the outside, which is a Ferrari blue on here. Gonna look pretty cool here. It's gonna be striped out, painted stripes. Very cool truck. At Rust Belt Off-Road here, this is some of the complete stuff we do here. This is a full powertrain upgrade on this classic truck here. Fully compatible Blueprint 306 motor, AOD transmission, Sniper 2 from Holley, CBF racing pulley system on this. Just a badass motor here that's ready to go, rock and roll. It's gonna go to the tuners, be out there to drive. And for all your restoration needs, your classic car needs, your classic tub needs, body needs, all truck needs, give Rust Belt Off-Road a call. 330-533-4757, rustbeltoffroad.com.